In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your Odoo website. If you want your website to be available in more than one language, Odoo makes the process very manageable. The key is to first make sure the language is installed, then switch into translation mode and update the visible text directly on the page. I'll walk you through the full process from start to finish. Begin by opening the website app in Odoo. Once you're there, go to Configuration, then Settings. In the Settings area, look for the Languages section. This is where you can confirm whether the language you want to use for your website translation is already installed. If the language you need is not available yet, click Install New Languages. Then select the language you want to add, choose the website you want to translate, and click Add. This step is important because Odoo needs that language enabled before you can start translating any website content. After the language has been added, return to your website. Use the language selector on the side to switch to the language you want to translate into. For example, Schkeep. Switching to the target language first ensures that you're editing the correct version of the website content. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the drop-down next to Edit. From that menu, choose Translate followed by the name of the language, such as Translate, Schkeep. This will activate translation mode. Once you are in translation mode, you'll notice that editable text on the page is highlighted. Click any highlighted text you want to translate, then replace it with the translated version. Work through the page carefully and update the content section by section. This includes headings, buttons, menu items, and any other highlighted website text. It's a good idea to stay consistent in tone and terminology as you go, especially if your site includes navigation labels or repeated calls to action. Take your time during this part, since the quality of the translation directly affects the user experience. When you're finished, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. Finally, switch between your available languages using the language selector and review the site. This last check helps you confirm that the translations appear correctly and that everything displays as expected on the translated version of the website. Thanks for watching.